Okay, now once in a while you'll run into a problem where you'll notice the gear is turning. This gear has two pawls. It has a push pawl, which this one in front pushes the gear around. Then it has a stopping or locking pawl, which this pawl actually locks it so it can't rock backwards, so it can only advance. And if you ever notice that this gear is moving around, but the web or conveyor system is not advancing, then what you'll find is, look at it and see, this rod is probably then not moving. So the rod or shaft is setting still, but the gear is moving. These are connected together, so basically you connect the shaft to the ratchet gear with a keyway. It's a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch by 1 inch long keyway. And if that happens, what you need to do, remove your upper and lower bolts, take off both pawls, and then remove your cotter pin, remove the front bracket. You'll slide the gear out. You can stop at any local hardware store and get a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch keyway cut off at 1 inch long. Slide that in the groove of the shaft, then put your gear back on and put everything back together in the opposite order you took it apart.